My name is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw orbs in Photoshop. So I have two things here that I'm going to show you. I know there are a lot of you paranormal enthusiasts out there who are interested in making it look like you've got some ghostly orbs in your photos, so I'm going to show you how to make that little fun trick. So I've got a photo here that I'm going to add an orb to, and the first thing I want to do is go to your paintbrush tool, and then you're going to also want to go to your paintbrush size tool, and make sure you don't have this selected because it's a more solid shape. This is more of a blurred, rounded shape, and this is kind of what you want for that glowy, orby effect. So the first one I'm going to draw is kind of like that. Now that might be too light for you. So what you can do, too dark actually in that case. So you can turn the opacity down. The opacity is right up here when you have your paintbrush tool selected. And so I'm going to make it 56, and I'm actually going to make it a little bigger. And there you can have your orb shape. And then you can do a couple of different ones. But that's still too dark. And Photoshop has a really cool effect where you can add a lens flare. And so if you go to Filter, Render, and you go to Lens Flare, make sure your area is selected first. So like I said, Filter, Render, Lens Flare. And this can actually add a fake lighting effect, but this can actually help your orb sort of process if you want. So we'll put it near the door. And there it gives you kind of like a lens flare kind of thing. But then, because mostly when you see pictures that have orbs in them, they usually have some kind of shiny with to them and some other colors. So, you can also just go ahead and add in your own few orbs. My name is Alex Cecilio, and this is how you draw an orb in Photoshop. Thank you.